Welcome to a colorful world of nature. Come and join the Poco Kids.
Good morning, my sunshine.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I had a happy dream.
Your dream was happy, but your room looks very tired.
My room is messy.
How about we clean it together today?
Yes, let's do it together. First we look, then we plan.
Books on the floor, clothes on the chair, toys under the bed. Wow, I didn't know my room was so messy. Let's start with the bed.
Why the bed first?
A clean bed makes the room feel fresh. Very good.
My bed looks new.
Small work, big change.
Where did dirty clothes go?
In the basket.
Correct. Clean clothes stay folded.
One side, then the other. Folding is easy.
It keeps clothes neat and clean.
My books are tired.
Books like to live on shelves.
I will read my favorite story later.
Good reward after cleaning.
Oh no, my toys!
Toys need homes too. Cars here, dolls here. Good sorting.
Cleaning is like a game. Why is dust bad?
Dust makes the room dirty and unhealthy.
The table is shining.
Clean space, clear mind.
Oh no, I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Accidents happen. Cleaning also means fixing mistakes. I learned something new. Let's learn some English words.
Yay!
Broom, we use it to sweep. Cloth, we use it to wipe.
Look what we did today!
Bed made, toys sorted, books on shelf.
Teamwork is the best.
I feel proud of myself.
Mom, how can I keep my room clean every day?
Clean a little every day. Small habits are strong.
I will try.
I believe in you.
I love my clean room.
And your room loves you back. Cleaning can be fun. Learning can be everywhere.